Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to obtain the insect photographer during the insect event in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it, guys. This is one of the titles from the insect event in Heartopia, and you will need this title to obtain Unseen Mountain King achievement. And if you want to obtain this title, guys, you must be the first person to snap 3 photos during the insect event. So you're going to take the picture of the insect, go to your camera, and then when you meet the insect, you need to take the photo of it. Let's just search for the insect right here. For the insect, actually, it's really hard to find, but yeah, that's okay. Wait. Okay, let me capture this one first. Like this. Now the event is over, guys, and sorry, I missed to record the moment when I get the insect photographer title, but yeah, that's how you can do that. You just need to take 3 photos during the paid insect event in Heartopia to obtain the insect photographer title. Okay, that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.